That's all we got. Very disappointing. All right, well, this evening we are going into our potatoes and seeing how many we have. We've been waiting. We planted these back in, was it April probably? So we're just looking through to see what we have. We had a lot more plants this year than we did last year.
But we also had very dry weather.
That one's got a hole in it. There's a nice one. I think these were the gold ones because the russets I thought were a little bit hard. If any of you know anything about growing potatoes, please let us know. We do know our family member further south has grown potatoes and has had a lot of success.
But evidently we're not.
Doesn't seem like it this year.
The little beady ones.
Yeah. There's a good one.
Yeah.
Kind of. They got holes in them. Like something's been eating them. So we got these so far from this bin, which is really disappointing because it's huge and we should have double or triple that at least. We're gonna do this next bin and see what we can find. So strange. It's all through here.
Huh?
Through here. So the majority of our potatoes seem to be about this size. That's not what we were expecting. These are a little bit bigger. If y'all have any thoughts about potato planting, let us know in the comments.
Because we obviously don't know what we're doing.
Or maybe we're missing something in the soil, or maybe it was just the year we had. And I have friends that live in a completely different state and they also had issues with gardening. Really weird season. That's all we got. Very disappointing. Yes, we just have to figure out what we maybe need to change for next year and hope we can grow better in the next season. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Solitude Acres.